Hello students, once again welcome to Bholanata Academy students. Today we are going to apply molecular orbital theory to tetrahedral complexes. Tetrahedral complexes students, the complex has 4 ligand. Yes or no? When the 4 ligands approaches students and there are only 4 bonding molecular orbitals are formed and it are mostly ligand in character. All the characters of ligands are involved. According to molecular orbital theory students, E orbitals are pure metal d orbitals have a mixed d and p and ligand orbital character. D orbitals, that is E orbitals, are pure metal d orbitals and have a mixed d and p and ligand orbital character they are having. According when you apply the molecular orbital theory to these tetrahedral complexes. Now when you simple example I have taken tetrachlorocobalt 2 minus. Now when you write down the electronic configuration of cobalt 2 plus students, here how much 7 electrons are there in the d orbitals. Now 7 electrons are distributed in the d orbitals like this students. First you have to fill all the electrons single. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 and 7, correct. Now here all the paired electrons are present in these atomic orbitals we call as ligand group orbitals, correct. This is the ligand group orbitals students. This is the what, cobalt 2 plus orbitals. These are the atomic orbitals students. Atomic orbitals when combined they will form the molecular orbitals, correct. These molecular orbitals students, what happens students, first we are going to explain how many atomic orbitals of cobalt 2 plus involved. Now here E orbitals having symmetrical, so they will be as it is. Their structure, these two Eg orbital will be coming with the electrons, so like this, correct students. They are not, because the energy level is same. Now what happens students, what these 3 electrons and this paired electron, these T2, 3 orbitals, 3 atomic orbitals, we are making one group that is called a T2, will combine with T2 unpaired electrons and they will form the bonding. This is the bonding atomic orbitals students, and this is anti-bonding. The anti-bonding will always having higher energy level than the bonding orbitals. So what happens students, you are going to distribute 6 electrons from here, 6 electrons, and here 9 electrons we are going to distribute. So students, we have to distribute the electrons because the energy level is higher so this way we are going to distribute. Now 3 unpaired electron will go to the T2 star orbitals, unpaired electron like this, correct students. Now what happens to students, now what is remaining, because students when you see these T2 atomic orbital p orbitals having the same energy as this, that means here these will be the same. We have put this T2 star and T2 star having the same energy level. They are nothing but they are the similar, and we can write also these two are the same thing, correct students, because these two orbitals having what, because we cannot sort like this, so they are having energy level is what, mostly similar. So that is why I have shown like this, these two are having the same energy level. Now what happens students, A1 atomic orbitals, this is the A1 atomic orbitals of the metals combines with A1 atomic orbitals of the ligands, and they will form the A1 bonding orbitals. Here the electron will go, and there is a anti-bonding, the empty anti-bonding molecular orbital will be present. Now students, this is the about this way we can apply the molecular orbital theory to this tetrachlorocobalt 2 minus, and this way you will find there is more unpaired electrons are there. So this is what high spin complex here it is forming, and because of that students, what this is tetrahedral structure. We can also explain the geometry tetrahedral structure, because it is coming all the electrons here, unpaired electrons are coming from the metal, that is why it is also having one ionic character. So this way we can explain the tetrahedral geometry, as well as it is paramagnetic because more unpaired electrons are there. So this is the, we can apply the molecular orbital theory to this tetrahedral complex. Thank you very much, very important students for the examination point of view. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe it. Just click on that red button. Okay students, thank you very much.